We are going to discuss test wrapping in Microsoft Office Word. Introduction. Adding picture to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information or add decorative accents to existing text. Used in moderation, picture can improve the overall appearance of your documents. To insert a picture from a file. If you have a specific image in mind, you can insert a picture from a file. In our example, we will insert a picture saved locally on our computer. Place the insertion point where you want the image to appear. As you can see in this picture, we put a cursor before the join writing in the Microsoft Office Word. Next, select the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click the Picture command. As you can see in this picture, in Insert tab, there is an option of picture. We have to click on that. In third, the Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Select the desired image file, then click Insert. The image will appear in the document. As you can see, the image is inserted before the join in our Microsoft Word document. Now we are going to discuss wrapping text around an image. First we have to click on the picture with your cursor. This action will bring up the picture formatting menu in the ribbon at the top of the word. Click outside of the image will take the picture formatting menu away and bring you back to the text formatting menu. As you can see in this picture, when we have to click on the wrap text, there is lots of option available. Inline with text, square, tight, thorough, top and bottom, behind text, in front of this. And we have to select any one of that for our use. Select wrap text. It may be inside the arrange grouping or in the advanced layout tab, drawing tool tab or smart art tool tab, depending on the version of Word you are running. Click the wrap text button. This appears in the top right corner of your image. When you click on it, and will pull up a drop down menu listing different text wrapping options. As you can see, when we click on the wrap text, there is lots of options occur and we have to click on any one of that. Select the text wrapping option. Word has different text wrapping options which you can pick according to your needs. Choose a square if your image is a square and you want to wrap the text around the square border of your image. Choose top and bottom if you want the image to stay on its own line but be between text on top and bottom. Choose tight to wrap text around a round or irregular shape image. Choose thorough to customize the areas that the text will appear. This is best if you want the text to be incorporated with your image in some way or not follow the border of the image file. This is an advanced setting because you will pull or drag image point in and out of their original borders. Choose behind text to use the image as a watermark behind the text. Choose in front of the text to display the image over the text. You may want to change the color or it can make the text illegible. Reposition the image. After you have selected your text wrapping option, you can click and drag your image to reposition it on the page. The program will allow you to place it where you want it now with the text following around it. As you can see in this figure, we have text wrap the different image on between the lines, after the lines, back of the written things, etc. Experiment with different types of text wrapping. Each image and project requires different type of text wrapping. Browse through options when you add a new image to make sure your wrap text is properly formatted. As you can see in this figure, we have to select any one of that and or we have to use more layout option to use a different wrap text options according to our use.